show Doc Millendez, farm worker, the concept of organic farming. So we're starting with this vegetable, sigarilyas. So this is the first phase. Kasi talagang overgrown na to eh. It's time for
Ideally, Ann, how yung like vegetable seedlings, how many days?
It depends yung yung pag-transplant. Ang ano kasi sa amin, at least there should be like 5 leaves.
Whether vegetable or trees?
Sa vegetables,
Oh.
merong 5 leaves.
Okay.
Mo na siyang i-transplant.
Oh, na-overlook yan. So, but still there's hope that those will grow?
Yeah, oo. Kaya, ang first talaga is preparation ng soil before you do the seedlings.
Yeah.
So,
But for the trees, because on the other side there are trees here, like marang fruit trees.
So, dapat mas malaki-laki pa. Kaya talagang maka-withstand siya ng ng atmosphere doon sa land na.
Okay. So, for the marang trees, we are still okay. Hindi pa yan siya overgrown.
No.
So, only the vegetable. And what kind of vegetable is that?
Ano tawag dito? Sigarilyas?
Oh, sigarilyas. Yeah.
We call it sigarilyas. So, climbing siya,
Vine.
vegetable.
But one that is, sigarilyas is well known as very nutritious,
Yes,
no?
it is sa Philippines talaga. Very common na parang hindi na overlook na lang. Karamihan ito. Ang iba nga yata hindi na nakakilala eh.
Meron bang particular soil or location? Is it good for yung shady o doon siya sa
Climbing vine naman eh. So like any other vegetable, it needs sunlight. Grow siya.
So sunlight pa rin, under the sun pa rin ang pinaka-best. But later on, since a vine, we need to come up with parang gapangan, no? Yung parang trail. No, kailan anong tawag diyan? Trellis, no? Oo, trellis nga. Oo.
And then eto ngayon what we're doing, yung farm worker is planning to put it beside ipil-ipil trees. Kasi meron na eh.
Oo, doon sa gagapang sa very good idea, no? Pero what about the so it can really grow beside the ipil-ipil tree instead of the
kailangan na lang siya ng pa-horizontal na
yung gagapangan.
Hindi siya masyadong mataas. Abot lang pag nag-harvest ka. Kasi kung sa ipil-ipil sa sabay doon, talagang mataas na mataas.
Oo, aakyat ng aakyat, mahirap nang i-harvest. So in between those ipil-ipil trees, meron tayong parang wire or something?
Yeah, you can do that. At saka yung kawayan, at saka yung whatever material is there. Di ba pwede ka naman mag-cut ng branches ng ipil-ipil. Yun ang
yung mga twigs, yung kwan mismo, no? Oo nga. What is important, meron siyang gagapangan.
Oo, at saka ma-carry ang weight niya.
And normally, how many days for the sigarilyas para mamunga?
I have no idea kung ilan. Kasi
Hindi na nga masyado nakikita yan sa market eh. But I know sigarilyas is very good for mga panghalo sa miswa, no?
any green vegetables.
String vegetables.
Any vegetable na source talaga siya ng protein.
Pero yan yung mga vegetables na meron siyang water, nag-absorb ng water.
Hindi naman to siya.
Pero I know sigarilyas is one of those vegetables na good for hypertension because it can cause diuresis o pampaihi. No? Yung the therapeutic side of the vegetable, kung high blood ka at marami kang fluid na na-retain, nakakaihi ka na ilalabas yan through the
That's added information.
So that is that is what I learned from Dulce Flores, of the retired professor in UP Mindanao, that food as medicine, yung concept niya, food as medicine. So in fact, she was doing research on some food that can really lower the blood pressure, and they act as parang to replace simvastatin, yung to lower the cholesterol. So she has a bunch of those vegetables in the list.
Magandang information when you're having organic kasi nga not just sa food na niya nutritional na value, but on the medicinal side.
Yeah, and actually Dr. Dulce Flores is part of our team that is really pushing for food as medicine, no?
You have to plant it on a medium na wala talaga siyang chemicals. Para consistent ka doon sa food as
Oo, kasi kung laced na siya with chemicals, poison na rin siya in a way, no, instead of medicine. Well, anyway, thank you, Mayan, for that introduction, and we will see how this is being planted in our backyard. No, the viewers have already seen some of this in the past videos. Okay, again, thank you.